Welcome to my channel Stenography English and Marathi. Here we will see all about English and Marathi steno. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can get outlines of given passage in description. Please check it out.
I am very happy to have been able to come here to participate in the annual function. This invitation has been extended to me in early years also, but for one reason or the other, it was not possible for me to accept it. I feel glad this year again you invited me, and in response to your invitation, I could come here, and I have listened carefully to the annual report about the activities of your school. Let us hope that the boys who pass out from your school will be proficient not only in studies but will be considered as outstanding from the point of view of character and general behavior. On the success of your school, I congratulate the teachers and the students and all those connected with the management of this institution. My knowledge of the working of the public schools may not be very adequate, but I can say that in recent years I have had personal contact with quite a few of them. It should be considered a self evident truth that education of a child would be successful in proportion to the close contact between the teacher and the students. The public schools of today are able to devote individual attention on every student on account of their adequate resources and he limited number of students on the rolls. It is not a matter of surprise, therefore, that the schools should be popular in the country so much so that they are not able to admit all the boys who seek admission, and some of them at least have to be either disappointed or remain on the waiting list for some time. All this goes to prove the utility and the popularity of the public schools. With all this, it has also to accept that education of public schools is too much expensive. Rich parents can afford to send their children to them.